Hey guys, this is Trent, Parrots, Jeeps, and Off-Road, and today we're going to install this Powertanks bracket and put it on the cage right there for the JL. We'll see how that goes. So this is a 10-pound CO2 tank my wife bought me. I went ahead and bought the Powertanks 10-pound bottle bracket that goes right here. I've got it laid out. Comes with 6 of these. Got a 7/32 Allen wrench, 14 millimeter socket size. 2 of these bolts here. They're gonna go right here, I believe. These 2 holes, and then this bracket goes in the back hole. And we'll use a factory screw on the cage. They send you this little card with all this stuff. This gives you your instructions. You just scan it there. Then here's the bracket for the tank itself. It just lines up with these 6 holes. There's 6 holes there it lines up with. Bolts on like so. Keeps it nice and safe up there. So let's get started. So as you guys seen, I got this on here. Got these bolted on, and I put this one in to temp this up. It's still loose. I'll take it loose, line the bracket up, tighten all 6 of those. Then we'll get to putting the tank in, see how it fits. So now that it's installed, tightened down, this is how it mounts. It kind of angles out away from the glass there. We're going to put the tank in and adjust this. This is the latch, allows for a lock. It's got a 10 millimeter nut. The little handle clasp goes right there. So we'll get it snug, make sure it's tight and don't fall off. I probably won't lock it for any reason unless I pull this top off. But we'll see. And there's our final product. This stuff's built with some rubber stripping on the inside, and here, keep the tank from sliding around. I got it pretty tight. I'll have to drive around a little bit, make sure it don't rattle, come loose at all. Actually, with this setup, if I leave it like it is, I can actually crank it on, turn it on, use the air hose that I have, and probably reach all 4 tires from here without even taking it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.